In this video, I'm about to show you how to add a Twitch account to OBS. First, open OBS and click on Settings in the bottom right corner. Then go to the Stream section, select Twitch as your service, and click Connect Account. After that, log in with your Twitch credentials. Now go to the Video section, set your base and output resolutions, and then click Apply. Next, go to the Output section, choose your encoder, set the video bitrate, and click Apply again. Here, go to the Audio section, select the sources for desktop and microphone audio under Global Audio Devices and click Apply. After that, create a new scene by clicking the plus under Scenes and naming it. Then click the plus under Sources to add game footage, select Game Capture or a webcam, select Video Capture Device. Adjust the settings in the Properties panel and click OK. Next, log into Twitch, open your channel, and pop out the chat by clicking the cog icon and chat. Then copy the chat URL, go to OBS's View and Docs, then Custom Browser Docs, add the URL and click Apply. Now start your game and click Start Streaming in OBS to begin. After that, end your session by clicking Stop Streaming when you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.